The first message is mustache, and like a little like, and then a mustache with like a gurgle, and then like toad eyes, like it's like a rectangle.
Okay, the
Alright,
rectangle.
so it's mustache, mustache, rectangle.
Okay.
The noises he makes for the first mustache is,
Okay, let me just look for that.
Hearing a roadie trying to make this noise is wild.
Oh.
I
it's like,
love it. He's getting better at it.
Not like a whale, like, not like
no,
that.
it's really high pitched. It's high pitched.
That?
It's like, yeah. It's high pitched.
Is it?
It's like,
Okay.
That was the best one yet.
Okay, what's the first part of the message?
Hang on, hang on.
I love this. I'm gonna play this again. I really got hate.
I don't see it.
Well, what do you got?
These ones sound really gurgly. It's like That doesn't sound like what you were saying. Can you do it again?
Yeah, it's like, it's like a little spaceship noise. Like, if you ever played like Windows XP Pinball, like those kind of like little space noises, like, and that kind of thing.
Is it
Yeah,
like that?
yeah.
Okay, I think I found